Hello my dear friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about the Countifs function in Excel. With the help of this function we are going to do the result analysis of a student data. Okay, the basic use of Countifs function is that it counts the number of cells that meet multiple criteria. Okay, before that we have learned the Countif function in which we are having only one criteria. Those cells are going to fulfill that one criteria, those cells are going to be get counted. But in Countifs function you can explain or you can enter the multiple criterias and you can apply those criteria on a particular cell. Those cells who are going to fulfill those criteria, only those cells are getting counted. Here in result analysis we have the student data. The students names are given and their respective three subjects marks are also given over here. Now we want to count the number of students, those who are getting 50 or more than 50 marks and less than 60 marks. Okay, such type of criteria are also mentioned below. So we are going to fulfill those criteria and we have to count the number of students according to that criteria. So it will be help us to categorize the students in a different categories of marks. Okay, so the formula is given over here. You have to be write down first Countifs, Countifs. Okay, after that bracket open, then criteria range 1 comma criteria 1. Okay, so first you have to mention the range, then for that range whatever may be the criteria you want to apply on that range, you have to be mention that criteria. Then criteria range 2, again you have to mention the criteria range, then the criteria 2. The criteria 2 will be different from criteria 1 and you have to be enter that criteria and vice versa. Okay, so the next one is that here we want to perform the result analysis. So first we want to find out the student those who are getting more than 50 marks and less than 60 marks. So here we are going to apply the formula. So is equal to count ifs Countifs comma, again we have to select the particular range, then comma we have to mention the criteria. The first criteria is that the students are getting more than equal to 50 marks, then double quotes close comma, again we have to be select the particular range, same range we are going to select, then we have to be count the student those who are getting less than 60 marks. Okay, so we are going to mention the range, sorry, criteria less than 60. Okay, bracket close, so press enter. So only two students are there, those who are scoring more than 50 and less than 60 marks. So manually you can count. Okay, so one two students are there, those who are score 50 or 50 marks or greater than 50 and less than 60 marks. So this condition has been fulfilled. Here we want to find out the student those who are getting more than 60 marks and less than 70 marks. So is equal to count ifs, then we have to select the range. Okay, comma, then we have to mention the criteria, that is greater than equal to 60. Then again we have to mention the range, the same range we are going to apply, then comma, double quotes, less than 70. Okay, so this second category students we will get enter. Only one student is there, those that who get the marks over here. Okay, those who are getting more than 60 and less than 70 marks. So let's manually we can count. This 69 is there, other than that no student is there. Okay, so here just for giving example I am counting manually, but now we are going to totally depends on the formula. Again, count if, in bracket, select the range, okay, then comma, we have to given the condition. Now we want to find out greater than equal to 70, comma, again we have to select the range, then comma, double quotes, less than 80, double quotes complete, bracket close, equal to. Okay, here we have to mention the count ifs. Okay, so then and then it will allow us to mention multiple criteria. So in this range there will be no student. Next, count ifs, then again we have to select the range, then comma, double quotes, greater than equal to 80, okay, and less than 90. The same range I have to be mentioned over here, then comma, double quotes, less than 90, double quotes complete, bracket complete, enter. So two students are there. Now we are going to find out the students, those who are getting more than 90 marks and less than 100 marks, is equal to count ifs. Okay, then again we have to select the range. Okay, range is selected, comma, double quotes, less than equal to 90, okay, comma, again we are going to select the range, comma, criteria is that less than 100. Okay, you can mention the less than 100 or equal to 100 as well. Bracket close. Here again we are, so it will provide us the output, that is 7 students are there. Okay, 7 students. Okay, here our criteria is a little bit wrong, greater than equal to 90. Okay, now the numbers are changed. Okay, now we want to count the number of students, those who have got the less than 50 marks. Okay, so here we can apply only simple countif function. Okay, is equal to count if, in the bracket we have to mention the range, comma, okay, criteria is less than 50. Here you don't have to mention the countifs function. Okay, only one criteria do the work, so only one student is there. Obviously this 20 mark student is there, those he has scored the less than 50 marks. So the, if we want to apply the same formula for the rest of the cells, so here we are going to drag and apply on the next cells. Okay, so greater than, same range students are getting 0. Here greater than equal to 60 and less than 70, so 1 and 2 students are there. Now greater than 70 and less than 80, so 1 and 0 students are there. So similarly we are going to apply the same formula on related cells. So just drag the cells, formula cells to the end. Okay, so here we have get the number of students, those who are getting pass or those who are getting fail in a particular subject. Okay, so this is the simple countifs function. I hope you have understand this function over here. I hope you like my videos. Please do like, share, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.